Thanks for coming to check out today's video. This video is super exciting because it's about a company that I absolutely love. If you want to learn more about this new wig, definitely keep on watching. Alright you guys, before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because if you're not subscribed, you're just missing out. Turn on post notifications so you never miss a new upload and you stay current on all the wigs and hair slayage that I'm going to be throwing at you guys all 2018. Let's get it, y'all. So this wig is from EVAWIGS. Thank you so much, EVAWIGS, for sponsoring this video. Sponsoring this video. Let's get started with this wig. this is the wig with the lace laid down. I decided to just go ahead and brush it out because I wanted a much fuller look. I think the density on this wig is very natural, but it's not thick enough to my liking. I would like it a little bit thicker. I probably will go in and add a few like water wave type tracks or body wave type tracks into this wig just to give it a little more density. But you know, if your wig isn't quite fully the way you want it in terms of fullness, you can always tease it out, and that's what I did to the top just to get some volume. And then you can always use your hairspray to hold, you know, your hair in place. So I actually really like this look. I'm going to turn around so you can see the hair from all sides. So yeah, you guys, this hair is super soft, super bouncy. I really like it. It feels awesome. It doesn't have any smell. It just doesn't smell like hair products. I kind of like my hair to smell like products. So oftentimes I'll just like spray a little something on it just to give it like that sort of smell. Like you just came out the hair salon. Yes, so I really like this hair. This hair is beautiful. Eva's wigs is always really good quality. You definitely get what you pay for with this wig. If you guys like this unit, I will leave a link to where you can get this unit down in the information bar down below, and I will see if they have any coupon codes or anything that you can use to save you a little bit of money on the site. I will leave that in the information bar as well. Also check them out on their Instagram. Their Instagram is super bomb. Yeah, and if you see me on their page, like the picture, y'all. Like the picture. All right, I hope you guys like this video. Definitely make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay tuned for the slow-mos because they are so lit.